Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Park Sung-min, Jeju National University Quality of Veterinary Medicine student. My practice topic is when I heard how alarms sound loud from sleeping. First, I questioned why this practice selected. In dormitory, because my roommate's wake-up time is different from me, without scaling it to the indiscretions with a maximum alarm, I was thinking I don't want to give the maximum damage. Then I was wondering if I can really hear from any volume, so I selected for this experiment. What is threshold limit value? Antecedently, we often hear threshold value. Then, what is threshold value? A threshold value refers to the size of the minimum that can cause stimulation of the sense of excitement in the cell. Threshold value is different. Even the same cell in accordance with the type of cell that the cell varies depending on the condition to receive the magnetic pole. Third, I talked to experimental method. First, raise the alarm level from step 1, step 1 for a day. Second, align the alarm before the test takes place 1 hour. Third, work aligns with the maximum alarm. Fourth, after awake to check for alarms that wake up from sleep and exposure time. Finally, fifth, continue the experiment for 1 week. And methods that require is be kept constant all of the conditions as possible. For example, sleep time, wake time, light, temperature. This is the experimental data. From May to 4th, from May 9th to 15th, started at level 1 sound. In level 1 and 4, I was still sleeping, not awake. And level 5, I started waking up. Level 6, 7, also wake up. Here is the threshold value graph. I don't respond in 9th, 2, 10th, 11th, 12th. From May 4th, I respond my alarm sound. At May 50th, also do. In result, in level 5, I start waking up. My alarm volume is level 5, apparently. So I set up level 5, not maximum. If I can wake up at level 5, this experiment play one more time. My presentation is finished. Thank you for listening.